Hi guys! Today we're gonna show you how to enable dark mode on Windows 10, and don't worry, we are not using any third-party application or software to achieve this. This feature is official on Windows 10 operating system, but anybody with an up-to-date Windows 10 copy can also have this feature turned on very easily. These days, it's nearly impossible to escape screens. We stare at laptops for work, TVs during our binge sessions, and smartphone displays every moment in between. This is bad for our health for a number of reasons. Blue light keeps us up at night, and displays can cause eye strain, among us other things, but going off the grid is unrealistic. For now, enabling dark mode can make screen time easier on the eyes. On Windows 10, you can change between dark and light themes, choose accent colors, and decide where those changes will appear. Here's how to customize Windows 10 color themes and flip on dark mode. First, you have to go to Settings at the Start button, click on Settings, then go on Personalization. Here you have to click on Colors. So, as you can see, we are on dark on choose our default Windows mode, and light to default app mode. So here we'll enable dark, and now our screen is dark. Light or dark changes the look of the Windows Start menu and the built-in apps. By choosing custom, you can mix and match to get the best of light and dark. For example, you can choose to put the Start menu and taskbar in dark mode, but keep default apps under default light themes. So here is an example. If you click here, Start taskbar in Action Center, now the taskbar is blue because here is we choose blue, but if we choose yellow, the taskbar will be yellow. Also here at Start, changing the color theme in Windows 10 affects menu colors and built-in apps such as File Explorer and the Settings menu. Other apps affected including Alarms and Clock, Calculator, Calendar, Mail, Microsoft Store, Sticky Notes, 3D Viewer, Video Editor, Windows Security, and more. Some third-party apps also now support Windows 10 dark mode, so color changes will apply there too. And you don't have to stop there. You can enable dark mode on your web browser, but this is a subject for another video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful, and I'm sure that your eyes will thank you for this dark mode feature. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. Also, a big like and a comment will help us a lot to make a lot of useful tutorials. Have a good and productive day. Bye bye.